Heartbeat CPR began business in April 1994 with the mission of training people how to save a life and how to perform other healthcare emergencies. I've been teaching life-saving techniques for over 40 years. I began in 1978 as a paramedic firefighter. As a paramedic firefighter, making calls on the scene with people panicking and unsure of what to do, we want to make it simple in teaching people how to save a life and how just to perform those simple techniques until the paramedics arrive. We've grown very tremendously, where we began as a home-based business with my partner and I. We then moved into a church, and as our team grew, as a stronger team, we moved into a brick-and-mortar building, but we now have a staff of 10 people and a pool of instructors. My vision is to see tremendous growth at about 80%, and also growth where to be locally, regional, and nationally. Our mission is to train people how to save a life and understand the use of other emergency equipment. Although we have the word CPR, everybody thinks it's just doing chest compression. At Heartbeat CPR, we like to use the terminology, you're trying to save a life. And in doing that, you're only going to perform what's not there. It is important to learn how to save a life because over 300,000 people die of a heart attack into cardiac arrest every year. So this is why we train people how to use the AED. For every minute that a person is having a heart attack or in cardiac arrest, they lose 7 to 10% chance of survival per minute. I would love for in every household for the children, adult, and older adult to learn how to save a life. I would like to see each company in the United States have their associates trained on how to save a life and the use of an AED.